Hey guys, welcome along. Nigel here. This is going to be a very quick video on fuel tanks, and it's going to be less than 5 minutes, I think. If you've been watching my Hellcat videos on both my builds, you will see that I've made blanking plates in here to simulate fuel tanks, so that you don't see straight through into the empty wing. Now, the real aircraft has got two fuel tanks here. There's an access panel there for cleaning them out. And there's one there and one there, okay, and then there's another one that sits behind here that is this kind of shape, which is what I'm making now, and this one actually sits in just like this and sits in behind like that. And you can see that in the actual cockpit you've got the filler for that one, filler for that one, and the filler for this one. So this one would sit in there like that. Okay, so it sits like that, and it's got these two slots in it to clear those V-grooves there. So, you don't know me, I thought, with the popularity of the resin engine core, would there be any interest in you guys having or buying a set of 3 dummy fuel tanks? So you basically get this one, so this would go in here like this. Now it would come with slots in it so it fits the kit, but you can always fill those slots in and cut away those buttresses, because once the floor and everything is in the fuselage, you don't need those buttresses there anyway, so you could fill the slots, but it will come with slots to fit the kit anyway. So basically that would go in there like so, fit like that, and then this would basically go inside the fuselage like this, like that, okay. And then if you're going to build your model with the access hatch open in the bottom, when you look up through, that's what you'll see, the fuel tank, and it's got, from the images I've seen, it's got a very radiused edge, so that's why I've put all this filler and built it up, and it'll have a radiused edge, and I'll do the same on the side ones as well. So yeah, if I just want to know, I mean, I'm making this one for my US Navy model. If there's no interest, then I'm not really bothered, I'll just put this one in the model. But I'd hate for someone to come along afterwards after I've done it and say, oh, any chance you could make me a copy of that? If there's enough interest, I will make a copy of this, or I will do all 3. If I do all 3, I'll have to get hold of another kit, because both of my wing boxes are assembled and I'm not going to strip them down now. So I'll have to buy another kit, so that'll be number 3, and then get these parts and use them to make the molds basically for making the resin tanks. So basically you would get two dummy ends for there with instructions on how to fit them and stop them falling out, and one of these. So just let me know please guys if you would be interested. Price would probably be something like I don't know, say £10 for these 3. £10 in the UK and £14 posted to the US. And obviously, depending on the weight, I have to keep everything under 100 grams. If you're buying an engine core off me, then obviously the postage would come off of that. So that would be £5 in the UK, or £9 in the US. So yeah, you'd save a bit of money there with combined postage if I could get it all in one bag under the 100 grams. If you're having 2 engine cores already, I don't think I'll get 3 of these and 2 engine cores under the 100 grams. We'll see. Just let me know. Just no one's gonna. You're not committing to anything. Just please leave in the comments below or send me an email, whatever. Just let me know if you would be interested. If you would, I will get another kit and I will make these 3 up if there's enough interest. Or if you just want this one, or if you just want those 2, just let me know, guys. Thank you.